If you want to copy specific files to your Samsung phone, to a flash drive or some external storage, that is very easy. So you can basically copy a specific image, a specific download file to your Samsung phone. So how you do this is you need, say, a flash drive. It's a USB-A flash drive that I have lying around. So also another one that I have lying around. This one does USB-C and USB-A. So you can slide to the side for USB-A, or right here, an external hard drive. This is a solid state. This is Samsung T7. I'll provide links in the description for these. So what you want to do is, first thing, open your phone, go to My Files, and here you have the images, videos, audio files, whatever you want to copy. You're going to take your drive. So, and take this right here and plug it in. And then it will show up at the top here. Now you have a USB storage right here. So what you want to do is navigate to, say, images, for example. I want to copy these images. So I'm going to select these and one of these images, just random images, and then say copy or move. So move will actually remove it from your phone. Copy just makes a copy to the drive. So copy, and then you can select USB storage up here, USB storage, and just say copy here, and it goes to it. That's as simple as it gets, and you're done. It's copied over to your drive. Now, if you have a USB-A drive like this one, then you'd need an adapter. So this I got from with my Samsung phone is a USB-C to USB-A adapter. You can simply plug it in right here, and then see, if you look back here, there's no longer the USB-C drive. So if I plug this in now, so right here I'm going to plug it in here. I have the drive plugged into the adapter, and right here plugged in, and then the USB storage will show up. So you don't have to have a USB-C drive. You can get this adapter on Amazon. I'll provide that link also in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it will help to support my channel. But this is a 128 gig, and this will go up to, this one goes up to, I think, 512 on Amazon. So you can actually buy the amount you want. So this is a 128 gigs that I bought, and I had it for a few years. And the flash drive will work, including even this one, this and this one. This is a 32 gig from probably like 10 years ago. That will also work if you want to copy it over. So you just need the adapter right here, this adapter right here, for those USB-A drives. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel.